Founded in 2016, Smarter Luggage Bag Company Limited specializes in the research, development, sale, and service of a diverse range of luggage solutions, including leather luggage, plastic suitcases, metallic luggage, trolley cases, and bag parts. We are located in Shenzhen, known for their high-quality manufacturing and well-developed supply chains. Our Dongguan shareholding production hub boasts a sprawling 29,726 square meter workshop, staffed by a dedicated team of 192 experienced and reliable workers, complemented by a proficient sales force fluent in both Chinese and English, and a meticulous quality control QC team. We guarantee efficient and professional order fulfillment. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory quality and perfect after-sales service, driven by the unwavering trust and mandates of our valued customers. We have consistently broadened our business horizons over the years, providing excellent service for customers, and meeting customer needs are our eternal pursuit. Our collaboration with top-tier suppliers, nurtured through years of careful selection and joint ventures, has culminated in the successful launch of numerous popular products. Looking into the future, Smarter Luggage remains steadfastly committed to our core values of quality first, green and environmentally friendly. We are dedicated to pioneering even more superior and eco-friendly luggage options, aspiring to embody a modern enterprise that is both compassionate and formidable. We strive to provide every customer with an exceptionally delightful user experience. We have been bringing luggage products to market that boast category-leading functionality, design, and durability. Want to build your own premium brand of luggage? Talk to us now.